Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another vlog. I hope everybody is well now. In today's vlog, I'm going to be showing you a hotel. Yeah, not a hotel but a restaurant. Yeah, in Upper Zaman we call it a hotel. And in this vlog we're going to be trying some food out at a place called Dawat Butter BBQ. Now, they do a wide variety of different things going on. They do a full platter of a wide variety of different items on the charcoal. Yeah, that's why the name gives it away. Dawat Butter BBQ. Everything is done on a charcoal barbecue, and let me show you the location as well. So can you see Dawat Butter BBQ? Idhar aj asi Platter Casa ke to sabhi disalne. So on the Chach interchange, the main road where the Chach interchange is. There's quite a lot of restaurants on this side. You've got a Hujra Cafe as well. And idhar asi aaya, so there is a restaurant, Dawat Butter BBQ. So we're going to go inside, we're going to order karne hain te fir asi shuru karne hain fir theek hai inshallah. Assalamu alaikum, kya haal hai? Theek thaak ho mashallah. BBQ chalna pe ha mashallah. ye vekkino ji vakre BBQ ne dekh raha hai. Malai boti ye shish kebab hai
special harali boti
ala ये चिकन आ गई हाँ माशाल्लाह. तेली
फ्रेश हरियाली बूटी
तेली ये लेग अला माशाल्लाह. ठीक है माशाल्लाह. ये देखो जी, देखो ये सामने फ्रेश माशाल्लाह मीट करने ने ते बारबेक्यू ने होते जिस साथ. So you got fresh barbecue mashallah going on. We're going to order a platter and inshallah we're going to get cracking as well then inshallah. अंदर बैनी भी जाग है मुख्तलिफ माशाल्लाह जले आयो बहुत सारी जाग ने अंदर भी बाहर भी माशाल्लाह बहुत सारी जाग है. As you can see, look, inside there's lots of space available, and if you go around here there's more space available on the side as well. There you go. So order karne hai khana te fir behne inshallah and then we'll carry on it. This is the menu. As you can see, look, Dawat Butter BBQ. We've gone for a Dawat special barbecue platter, medium for 3 persons, 3,300. It's only 2 of us, so they've got other things going on as well. Karais and other stuff as well. There's the number है. You can jot the number down. So ਅਸੀਂ order ਕੀਤਾ a special barbecue platter. ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਨੇ ਪਰ ਤਰਿਆ ਬੰਦੇ ਬਸ. ठीक है. ते पीछे भी you've got other things I think in Urdu as well. बिस्मिल्लाह करने हैं फिर मैं तो दिसालना है. देखो बड़ा सारा प्लेटर आ गया ने जो सामने you've got over here you've got the chicken legs over here. Then you've got kabuli palau, then you've got some malai boti, and then over here you've got माँ ने पता वो की क्रॉस है बंदा हरी सही था हरियाली बोटी. I don't know what that is, to be honest. शुरू करना फिर बिस्मिल्लाह. 2 sauces, mint sauce and sweet sauce माशाल्लाह. शुरू कर बिस्मिल्लाह. काबली पुलाव शुरू करने हैं. काबली पुलाव, I love काबली पुलाव माशाल्लाह. Proper sweet and especially with the raisins and the carrots. The veg has no beef booty la masna safu si bismillah. Yeah, okay. Assalamu alaikum ji. ठीक ठाक हो. वीडियो तैयार नहीं हो कर नहीं आ रहे हो. मैं वीडियो विकी है जिसले मुनसब बाबू पाई है जी बिल्कुल ते तुसी भी वो वीडियो ने चाहो. हां बिल्कुल ठीक है. तो तुसी शेफ रिजवान ने पार्टनर हो जी माशाल्लाह. असी पिछली बारी जिसले आए हैं ग्रां उसने पीछे टेस्ट किए आए माशाल्लाह. हां ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਚਲਾ ਗਿਆ ਆਸਟ੍ਰੇਲੀਆ
ਉਸ ਦਾ ਦੀਵਾਨੇ ਵੀਜ਼ੇ ਨੇ ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਜ਼ਰਾ ਟੈਸਟ ਸਾਡੇ ਕਿਆ ਨੂੰ ਜੀਵਾ ਦੇ
ਜੀ
ਅਜੇ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਪਿੰਡੀ ਦਾ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ
ਹਾਂ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਵਾਕਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਟੈਸਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਚਸ਼ਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ
ਤੇ ਖਾਣੇ ਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਿਵਿਊ ਲਾਜ਼ਮੀ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ
ਖਾਣੇ ਨੇ ਹੁਣ ਭਾਈ ਰਿਵਿਊ ਕਰਨੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਫੁੱਲ ਬਲੌਗ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਮੇਰੇ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਤੇ ਸੀ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਇਨਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ
ठीक है
टिकटॉक ਤੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਕੱਲ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵੀ ਗਈ
जी जी
ਬਾਬੂ ਵਾਲੀ
जी 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 जी
ਬਾ ਖੁਸ਼ ਰੱਖੇ
आमीन तो सभी यार
टाइम शाम है तो साਡਾ नेक्स्ट टाइम वा ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਨਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ ਚਿਕਨ ਕੜਾਈ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰਾ
इंशाल्लाह ठीक है
ਓਕੇ
मेहरबानी so that was the owner part owner just give me salam ਉਹ owner है ने part owner chef रिजवान लाल गप शप लाने यार उनको कंटिन्यू करें खाने लाते कैसे मैंने यार चावल ऑलराइट ही होना yeah ठीक on माशाल्लाह yeah I'll give them a good, that's my rating, Captain's Food Sector rating. They're not a very good or a wow or a, you know, unbelievable, but they're good. You get chunks of beef pieces with the kabli palau, but they've not put any in apart from one. It is very stuffed and tender, but they normally all on in. But raisins, the carrots are in. The raisins and carrots, they need to be sweet, and they are sweet though. That's the main thing. The chicken leg piece, the barbecue chicken leg piece. There. We'll break up the barbecue chicken, put it onto the rice. The aroma is really popping off, man, mashallah. Mashboota sahi, mashallah, anini bhai. Yeah. Chicken, mashallah, both soon as I can. The chicken is really nice. I like that. I'm going to give that a very good for my Captain's Food Takers rating. Proper charcoal, proper charring on that for the barbecue. And the flavour is really nice, mashallah. A little hint of a spicy kick coming through. मज़ा आना पे माशाल्लाह. It breaks off straight away, mashallah. As well. ये चटनी है, नॉर्मल चटनी, हाँ मिंट वाली चटनी ने डिप करा. ये मिंट चटनी ने मिंट सॉस ने थोड़ी सी मर्चा है. There's a bit of a spicy kick coming through from the mint chutney. That elevates that spice level even more. I don't want to have too much of it though, personally, because then I'm going to find out what day it is tomorrow. Let's try the sweet sauce now. Sweet wali chutney try karne. Very sweet, mashallah. Yeah, that's good as well. Mitti hai chutney, mitti. ये और मलाई बोटी ट्राई करने हैं जी. ये चिकन ने, ठीक है. We're gonna try the malai boti now. This is chicken as well. Different type of barbecue chicken. It's called malai boti. We'll try that now. But this one, some decent flavours popping off. You got some decent amount of juices popping off, and again that barbecue charcoal flavour is coming through. This one's decent, to be honest. Now you've got the other type of chicken called hariyali boti. First time I'm coming across that type of chicken, to be honest. Hariyali boti. It's the way they make it, innit? ये hariyali boti आ गई नहीं, try करने वाला. It's got like some green sauces got on it. Hara. Allah, my cousin's just told me, he's giving me some information. In Urdu, hara means green. So it's green type of boti. That's why. And I think they must have put the mint sauce on there. Yeah, that mint sauce flavour. I can taste that mint sauce flavour coming through. So Haryali boti, Urdu ne vich. Hara. Hara. Hara I think green. You learn something new every day. I didn't know that. But overall, I give that a decent as well. Now, I'm full to be honest. I'm full of gani. A platter there for 3 people. As he don't. Yeah, it's me and my cousin. So it just depends on how hungry you are. Like me personally, my stomach, my system is slowly getting used to obviously adjusting to Pakistan. So I don't know, man, I couldn't eat that much, if you know what I mean, at the moment. Yes people, so we just finished off now. We've got up, we've finished off. We're gonna walk out, खाना खा के ते फिर इंशाल्लाह अगले ब्लॉग पे फिर इंशाल्लाह मुलाकात होगी। ठीक है जी, मेहरबानी, जज़ाकल्लाह, फिर मुलाकात होगी इंशाल्लाह। ठीक है, दुआ हो गया, दुआ नहीं, दुआ हमारी जो दुआ मेरे पास बैठे हैं तो मैं चले गए। अल्लाह अल्लाह, ठीक है। So we're going to go back to the car. I hope that you're enjoying the vlogs that we're doing, and then we will see you on the next vlog. Then make sure you hit that subscribe button, that's if you like the content, and then we'll see you on the next vlog then. So granyo, like kariyo, comment bhi kariyo, share bhi kariyo, te fir agle vlog de milsa fir theek, that's the captain, Allah Hafiz.